It's big and I need to take it in.
Come on.
You put it in.
Put it in!
Put it in, Jessica!
Put it in.
Jesus Christ.
Gosh, I swear I forgot up. How long?
Put it in for like 3 minutes like it is.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
It's gonna fucking blow up.
No.
You're supposed to press start, cancel, and then a minute.
Cancel, cut.
No! Oh my god, you're simple.
Oh my god! Nick!
What?
It's your fault. It's your fault.
What?
If it blows up, it's your fault.
No, it ain't.
Oh my god! Becca, it's gonna blow up.
Even if it did blow up, it's your fault.
No, it's your fault.
How's it my
It was
fault?
your idea.
You're the one who put the thing back in the microwave.
It's not getting any bigger.
Well, this way.
Is it gonna blow up?
I swear to fuck if it blows up.
Jessica!
I'm the one that's standing close to it, you fucking idiots. You guys are like way